to the Sunday night gig at the farmer's market. I got a fellow that called me, said, I got 7 or 8 knives I need to get sharpened. Are you going to the market today? I said, yes, sir. So I know I have at least one customer. We'll see how that goes. See you later. He says he got nice knives too, Shuns, and I forgot all what kind he told me. The lady sells bling.
They do bling. I push this light on so they bling more.
A lot of people here today. We got the wine lady here. How you doing today?
Fine. How are you?
Okay. I'll be back in a minute. Soap lady.